Mobile Industry Review, Mobile Developer TV.
I'm Ian Buckner. I run technical sales for Europe for FusionOne.
And you're going to give us a demo?
Absolutely. What we want to show you today is what we're doing with our social networking product, built on top of our superbly successful synchronization engine that we've deployed services over at Verizon North America.
So you've got the demo desktop here. Show us this. So what we're looking at here then?
So what we're looking at here is our WebPIM, our website. Here we see that we've been able to add a whole number of different social media endpoints: Facebook, Gmail, Flickr. And the problem for all of us, I'm sure you're the same as everyone else is, we've got contacts all over the place. Some on our mobile, we've got friends on YouTube, Facebook, Flickr, but they're different identities. And what we do with our product is pull them all together into aggregated address records.
Great. Gotcha. So show us, what should we look at? What's the highlight here?
So the highlight on our WebPIM, which is the easiest way to show you what you're seeing, is here are all my contacts.
And is this is mobile? This is just a branded example, is this, or is this the real?
This is the product that we're launching with the carriers that we're currently deployed with during the course of 2010.
Okay, gotcha. So what we got today? We got address book. I mean, talk us through this.
So what we've got is a typical Today screen where we can see a carousel of all of our contacts. Some of these contacts have got profile photographs because they've been sucked in when I added Facebook. Some of them are contacts without photographs, as you can see on the right hand side, where they've been synchronized in from my phone, and we've just got a common view of all of my contacts that I have across all the different properties that I work with.
And the recent activity here?
Activities at the bottom is an aggregated sum of all the statuses, the feeds, the wall posts coming in from my social communities. We pull this all together in one place on the web.
Gotcha. And then, of course, you mentioned devices, so tell us about that.
Really, the thing that FusionOne does incredibly well is support a whole wide range of devices. We have clients on the smartphones, on Android, we have software accessible on iPhone, right across to the feature phones, the Symbian devices, and lower down the marketplace.
So, Ian, just show some hands up, give us an idea.
Absolutely. Let's have a look here.
So we got some Nokia, some BlackBerry here.
Yeah, a fairly general range of handsets on the market.
I see the Mobile Junction logo here.
So here's our client on BlackBerry. It's a client that runs on the phone. It's not a website. It's a proper native application, and data is synchronized down from the WebPIM that you saw a moment ago and is there in front of the user.
And then you got Nokia handset here.
A Symbian client, again native client on the phone with all my contacts. You can see there little icons showing which communities that contact is active in, and you can see the latest status update that came down a moment ago.
Then iPhone.
The same on iPhone, and then moving over to the far side, we have exactly the same on Android.
Wow. So that's pretty amazing that you've gone all across you're serious when you say you support multiple platforms.
Absolutely, and that's the benefit of being a company that's 12 years old. We've been in this space for a very long time. We've been building clients for 5, 6, 7 years.
And just so this is an example that other carriers watching, they could actually integrate this kind of stuff into their offerings?
Absolutely. What you typically find with carriers today is they have different silos of address books. So they may have a web SMS application, but the contacts contained in there have been hand typed into their web UI. They've got web email with a different set of contacts, and then the subscribers have got contacts on their phone. So what we're doing is then integrating with all those points on the carrier's network, as well as the internet properties, to combine everything in one place, centralized addresses.
And just a little point here, if I'm a verizon customer, can I go and get this?
Absolutely, during the course of this year, you'll be able to get this technology.
Fantastic. Ian, thank you for your time.
No problem.
Great.
Mobile Industry Review, Mobile Developer TV.